Dom from 12 Tomatoes bringing you another very great video. Today we are making a cheesy tomato stuffed garlic bread. Say it with me. Cheesy tomato stuffed garlic bread. Yes! My mom would make this for us as like the most specialist thing ever. It's literally just garlic bread with thinly sliced tomato and mozzarella on top, and it's melted in the oven. And the tomato like melds into the bread and the garlicness, and it is just let's do it. Okay, so we want to start with our compound butter first. This is going to be the base of our garlic bread flavor. What we want to do is chop up some fresh parsley, some grated Parmesan cheese, and a whole lot of minced garlic. We're going to mix that with some softened salted butter until that looks nice and combined. Then we're gonna slice our tomatoes. Look at those slices. Ugh, that fast motion. Put it on a plate. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear up some fresh mozzarella. It's just easier to scatter all over the place. I like a torn mozzarella. Then what we wanna do is we wanna cut our bread into 4 pieces. You can use a nice Italian bread, a nice bakery bread, whatever you're feeling for garlic bread. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread on the butter, top it with those sliced tomatoes, and scatter over some of that mozzarella. Repeat this with the other 3 loaves, season it with a little salt and pepper, and throw it in the oven until that cheese gets nice and brown and bubbly, and welcome to garlic cheesy tomato heaven. So garlic bread is finally finished. Look at this baby. That mozzarella, that tomato. Oh, we're getting into it. Oh.
12 tomatoes.